GTC 2022, NVIDIA's GPU Technology Conference, gets underway tomorrow, and you can look forward to 4 days of inspiring, insightful and educational sessions with something for everyone. And as this year the event's gone digital, if you've signed up for free, you can get access to all of the sessions either live or at a time that suits you. There'll be a huge choice of sessions covering breakthroughs in AI, data center, accelerated computing, healthcare, intelligent networking, game development, and loads more. And with so much choice, we thought we'd share our top picks for each day to inspire you. So here goes. This is our top picks for day one of GTC 2022. And as it's the first day of the conference, you can take part in a number of NVIDIA Deep Learning Institute workshops, such as the fundamentals of deep learning or applications of AI for predictive maintenance. These are full-day sessions and they run at various times throughout the day, so check out the GTC dedicated website for further details and a time that suits you. These are longer hands-on sessions and they're at a small additional cost, and they must be booked beforehand, but you'll be given the opportunity to discover how deep learning works through hands-on exercises in computer vision and natural language processing. You'll train deep learning models from scratch, learning tools and tricks to achieve highly accurate results. You'll also learn to leverage freely available state-of-the-art pre-trained models to save time and get your deep learning application up and running quickly. Alternatively, you could watch a number of shorter sessions live, such as the NVIDIA Session, which runs 2 p.m. till 4 p.m, called Learning Deep Learning. And this is based on the book by the same name and will be delivered by Magnus Eckman, Director of Architecture at NVIDIA. Then at 3 p.m, you can watch live the session entitled An Introduction to AI in the Data Center, which is perfect if you're preparing your data center to support tomorrow's most important workloads. This training session introduces concepts and terminology and will help you to understand the evolution of GPU computing and its contribution to the AI revolution. You'll familiarise yourself with NVIDIA's software architecture and you'll begin to understand server, rack and data center level considerations for AI deployments. All this and more can be accessed for free if you register at GTC for your event pass. You can view the full schedule of sessions, workshops and training and plan your GTC. And to help you narrow down the large choice of sessions on offer, we'll of course be back again tomorrow for our pick of the day. But of course you can watch them all at a time of your choice once you've gotten that free pass. See you tomorrow.